Question 4 says, during a rugby match, a spectator at A walks to C, the opposite corner of the ground, by walking from A to B to C as shown in the diagram, which is this same diagram. If the spectator walks 100 seconds, if the spectator takes 100 seconds to complete the walk, what is the size of the resultant vector, of the resultant velocity? Velocity, we have it, is equal to displacement divided by time. Remember, our displacement, we got it to be equal to 175 approximately. 175 meters, and the time is given to be 100 seconds. So velocity will be equal to 175 divided by 100, and this is said to be 1.75 meters per second. Okay, what is the size of the resultant vector, which is 1.75? This is your answer.